Hey Ross, so what are we going to do today?
Well, I was hoping that we'd get in on this little kelp patch here and show you all the different plant and animal life that we have on the west coast here.
What I'm really excited to see is that, you know, I've spent a lot of time in the Great Bear Rainforest, but I've never been underwater the Great Bear Rainforest. And I guess what you were saying is that there's a ton of biodiversity and life under there.
The shame is the general public doesn't see what's down below the water. It's just incredible.
Yeah.
The diversity is just to die for, I guess.